In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create your own BEP-20 token on the BNB Smart Chain in just a couple of minutes using a no-code method. First, let's talk a bit about what a BEP-20 token is. If you're familiar with crypto, you might have heard about the ERC-20 standard on Ethereum. In a similar vein, the BEP-20 is the token standard for the Binance Smart Chain, which essentially outlines how tokens should behave. It covers the fundamental operations like transferring tokens, approving transfers, and determining total supply. Creating a BEP-20 token involves deploying a smart contract and paying for gas fees using Binance Coin, or BNB for short. But if you're not into coding, or if you just want to whip one up quickly, there's an easier route you can take using no-code tools. These are user-friendly platforms that allow you to create a token without having to write the smart contracts yourself. Let's look at some examples of these tools. There's deploytokens.com, a straightforward site where you just fill in your token's name, symbol, and initial supply. It guides you through the process and makes it a breeze. Then there's cryptobuilder.io, which offers a user-friendly interface that lets you customize more advanced features, like whether the token is burnable, the fees involved, and the number of decimals the token supports. Lastly, there's Moralis, a platform that provides detailed tutorials, even for creating testnet tokens, which can be handy if you're just trying things out before going live. Here's how you do it. Head over to one of these sites. Take a moment to explore the one that feels right for you, and then start the process by connecting your digital wallet. MetaMask is a common choice, but use what works best for you. Once your wallet is connected, select BEP-20 from the available chain or standard options. This tells the system you want to create a token on the Binance Smart Chain. Now it's time to fill in your token's properties. This will include essentials like the token's name, its trading symbol, the number of decimals it will use, and its initial supply, how many tokens you'll launch initially. If you wish, you can also explore advanced options, such as enabling features like burning, which allows you to reduce the token supply over time, and minting, which enables the creation of new tokens as needed. You could also set up transaction fees to control how often or in what circumstances transactions can occur. Before you finalize, carefully review the gas cost. It's essential to ensure that your wallet has enough BNB to cover these fees. Once reviewed and you're ready, go ahead and deploy your new token by confirming the transaction in your wallet. The tool will handle the rest, effectively launching your BEP-20 token to the Binance Smart Chain. And there you have it. In just a few steps, you've created your own BEP-20 token without writing a single line of code. Give it a go and see how easy it can be to join the world of cryptocurrency.